Hello, how do I identify a peak for selling stocks when it comes to swing trading? Well, I like to use maximum, uh, the high all-time highest price as my default exit point. Let's take an example of ON as of June 18, 2026 to analyze. And I use maximum daily chart or maximum chart. So by using maximum chart, automatically the platform, in this essence is Thinkorswim, will put all-time highest price on the map for you, on the chart for you. And when I see all-time highest price, I use that as my exit point. That is the peak of the mountain, the highest price. I like to buy around the valley and sell at the peak. So, and in this instance, when it comes to ON, I purchase it. I'm seeing some arrows there. So I purchase it and it reached all-time highest price. This is the previous all-time highest price. So it reached it around somewhere here. In May, we have the price, we have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So from there, any increase in price is going to be all-time highest price. So all-time highest price will start from here and run on. It reach a highest peak and then drop. So I'm seeing an arrow reverse here. So that means I sold it here. So if those arrows are correct, so I purchased in 2025 and in 2026 and sold it somewhere here. So I'll place the order to sell it there. But that is how I determine my peak. I like to have those all-time highest price on the map to guide me. That way I won't have to keep looking if in the past there is an all-time highest price. Second, I swing trade growth stocks. So growth stocks, they are still growing. So all-time highest price, I like to have it within the last few years, because I want to sell it when the price exceed the previous all-time highest price, and then go from there. So when you reach all-time highest price, then I'll ask myself if I want to sell it or if I want to stay in the trade longer, and I'll look at how it did previously. Like in this instance, when it reached this peak, it started dropping. But then I will go to maximum monthly chart to see if that was the highest peak there or if it started somewhere. So we have, when it touched base with this support line somewhere there, it continued all the way here before this circle was done. That's the way I view it. So this all-time highest price here is for within this cycle, and for this cycle, all-time highest price originated from somewhere here. So it continued to go up for 1, 2, 3 years and more. 3 years or so, close to it, before it was done. So therefore, technically, when it reaches all-time highest price, chances are it could continue to go up again for about 3 years or so before it will be done. And in that instance, I might decide to stay in the trade longer, for a few years, for 2 years at least, before I sell it. So that is how I tend to do my analysis. But then again, I will see all the up and down that is making, if there is a good growth there, or if they are close to each other, the up and the down, to see if it's worth staying in the trade or not. This distance and this one, and they drop as well, and compare those to see if I want to stay in the trade longer or get out. So there was those things that I like to pay attention to, but that is how I determine my peak is the peak of the mountain when you are looking at it, considering the top of the mountain and the valley. So it is the peak of the mountain. So that is how I determine the peak and then sell or stay in the trade longer. So based on, and again, it's based on the strategy that I use, that I tend to do it that way. So we thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, and on our channel we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just start small and slowly but surely grow your account from there. For more, as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working with me, what is not working, what I'm learning. Share those tips with you so that, you know, if you like some tips, you can improve, customize, and use it in your own financial success journey. Would you please use our information with caution? For more videos in this series, would you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. If you are looking for tote bag pouches or cloth napkin, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you. Happy swing trading.